I'm from Cameroon.
I'm from Latvia.
I'm from Iran.
From Kano State, Nigeria.
I'm from Iran.
I'm from Turkey.
And I'm from Ukraine.
I come from Ukraine too.
I come here by bus.
We came by plane.
By car.
Poland is located at the center of Europe.
Poland is a country in European Union.
Lublin, one of the most interesting cities of Poland, which is ninth largest city in Poland and the second largest city in the lesser Poland.
I can recommend you to see Lublin's castle. It's a very interesting place. And Krakow's gate.
There are some interesting places that you can go and visit, for example, like castle and other old places like museums that you can see.
Clubs and I like go to shopping to the Lublin Plaza.
I know most sport, athletics. So I know some boxers, some champion of winter sport, and like boxing, Mario Bach.
Роман Поланський, Марія Курі Складовська, Nikolai Kopernik.
Like the president, Mr. Komorowski, the prime minister, Mr. Donald Tusk.
I know Kasia Kowalska.
The winter is cold and the summer is hot.
When I first came to Poland, I saw the winter. I was amazed because it was my first time to see snow falling. I love winter, and I'm looking forward to midsummer. Yeah, you have a good season, especially winter is a good time for snowboarding. If somebody interested in snowboarding can come to the Poland and enjoy snowboarding.
In fact, it is one of the most famous and reputable university in Poland.
I know that we have very good studies and very good level of education here.
Was established long ago, and it has graduated a lot of students, around 5,000 students, which majority of the students are physiotherapy students, and it started graduating the undergraduate since around 2003, and the master's program around the year 2008, and also it's recently started the English program of the master's in physiotherapy, the undergraduate in physiotherapy, the tourist and recreation program also.
They operate own academic physiotherapy center, and students can go for practical classes. It's great.
Right now we're taking our practical sessions there, and it's very The lab is very advanced. It's a very modern building, well equipped with a lot of modalities, and the training is very excellent there.
Erasmus program, the program gives the students the opportunity to study abroad or go for summer internship to the European Union countries and Turkey, Norway, Iceland and Liechtenstein.
I am Erasmus student. Especially for Erasmus, the student is very good.
Ukrainians, of course, Russians. I saw guys from Nigeria, from Iran, from Iraq, from India and other countries.
Russian students, Ukrainian students, Nigeria, Iran, Iraq, Turkey.
Actually, they provided me with accommodation in Alpha Dormitory, just 10-minute walk from the university. It's a nice place, nice building. My accommodation is just 2 minutes from here, so the university offered a good accommodation close to the university. So it's just maybe 2 to 5 minutes walking.
And before we come here, the school has finished organizing everything. The very day we come, the school representatives, after taking us to where we took some food, then they took us to where our accommodation is, and we were given our befitting rooms, well furnished, with every other things intact.
Dzień dobry. Jak się pani ma?
Mam na imię Abi, a ty?
Mówię trochę po polsku.
Mieszkam w Lublinie, UL Haszki 13.
Jestem z Nigerii, mieszkam w Kano, Nigerii. Kocham moja żona i mój syn i mój ojciec i moja matka. Dzisiaj jest bardzo zimno.
Lubię moją szkołę.
I think I can say almost everything.
My bardzo lubimy polski język.
I would like to become a hotel manager because that is what I want to specialize in, to become an hotel manager or work in a hotel. And I believe to transfer my information to other students. So I want to work in academic areas.
I want to travel and, like physiotherapist, want to help children.
I like to go back to Nigeria and use the knowledge I've gotten from Poland to transfer the knowledge and have some work there as a teacher or as a clinician.
I'm staying in Poland and I opened my hotel, maybe restaurant.
Our colleagues over there, they have been thinking of where to go and have postgraduate studies, which is purely in English, and we are very happy here that we have started English program, and the experience is very good. So if they are interested in coming, I think we will give them all the necessary requirements they need
In my think, Poland is very nice country, and I'm happy that I study in Poland.